Usually in the morning I just memorize or read Quran or do my most important work. And I guess today I'm memorizing that surah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ساد سائل بعذاب واقع. That one. Good night. Okay, so a late start, so that means I'm going to school at around 10. And right now I'm just doing a little work on like collecting my email from my Instagram. I did this like little automation thing where they comment something and then like I just send them a link, which would be good for my little business that I'm starting, inshallah. Okay, I'm walking to school now and it's like negative 17 degrees. My mouth is very cold. But my parents are going to China for around 3 months, so that means I'm going to be alone for that period of time. And that also means I'm gonna be tasting what it's like being an adult. So I'm gonna cook for myself, take care of my cats, and basically have power over everything I do. But I also have a lot more responsibilities to have to take care of, and that takes a lot of the careful planning, which I have already planned. Like I have my day plan, or I have my days planned, what I'm gonna do in the morning, what I'm gonna do in the afternoon, etc, etc. But yeah, I'm gonna walk to school now. Okay, so I'm at school now. My first class is English.
الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم.
Gym now, and initially I didn't want to come because I've been so stressed out with personal work and schoolwork, and I just felt like really tired, but I decided to come anyways because I have to be consistent or else I'm never gonna come. So yeah. Okay, I'm going home from the gym now, and one thing that I've learned throughout the years of trying to improve myself is that it doesn't really matter how you feel, and it doesn't really matter what you do. It's what you have to do to get to a certain goal that you want to achieve. And so for me, it's the gym, and I didn't really feel like going to the gym, but I had to go anyways because that's what gets me to the goals that I wanted to achieve. So my room is very messy, so decided to clean it. Like, I don't even know what this is, to be honest. This is a bunch of homework that I don't even open. As you can see, I'm almost done, but there's just one little thing that I have to worry about. Let me just wait. Was that a clean transition? My room is all clean. Yeah. Beautiful hoodie, isn't it? It's like this kind of fit, but obviously watermelon. Oh, I'm gonna do a little work and then go for Asia. Okay, I'm walking to school now. So I've been working for a little bit now, and I'll probably finish by the end of tomorrow. But I thought of something, right? A lot of us, like, we're not able to work outside of school. And I thought to myself, that's really weird, right? We can't work outside of school other than homework that we're mandatory to do. And I really thought, why is this? Why is it that we can't like focus on our goals like the Quran, like our Salah, like these things? If we're not told to do it, then we can't focus on it, right? And I think we're conditioned by school because of this. We're conditioned to have to follow an authority figure instead of us taking control over our life. Like we always have to look up to an authority figure to ask for what's next. Like what are we going to do with our life next? And so I think this is why a lot of people get stuck with their goals and with their personal development. And it's also why a lot of us, we might not be able to focus on things that actually matter, like the Quran, seeking knowledge, maybe our personal goal, like what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so like we have to change our mindset so that we're the authority figure instead of looking up to someone else. Okay, so pretty soon I'm probably gonna go to the masjid to pray Isha. But I'm just gonna finish this off. Inshallah, everything works out. Ready to go? I'm here. Finally here.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
I don't think it's good anymore, so I can't eat this. Okay, this is probably the last thing I'm gonna do. I already made wudu. I finished my work that I plan to do today. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read Surah Mulk, and then that's it. I'm gonna go to sleep after Surah Mulk, inshallah. So yeah, good night.